In this video, we are discussing about composition of function. Composition of function. So already we know the composition of function where we studied in integration, right? The derivative of composite function. We discussed already those derivatives of composition function. See again the definition of composition of a function. Say f is mapping from A to B, f is mapping from A to B, g is mapping from B to C are two functions. Then the composition of the functions f and g is denoted by g circle f. G circle f. It is from A to C. And G circle f is defined as G of f of x. Such that x is belongs to A. This is the definition of composition of a function. See again, f is mapping from A to B, G is mapping from B to C. Are two functions. The composition of the functions f and g is denoted by g circle f, and g circle f from A to C, and it is defined by g circle f is equals to g of f, set of g of f of x such that x belongs to A. This is the definition of composition of the function. With arrow diagram, how we are showing this one, you see, this is the set A. And this is the set B, this is set C, right? A function f from A, this is a function f, this is a function from B to C. Function f from A to B. This is the function from A to C is G circle f. Here this is g of f of x. This is what f of x only. Right? This is the composition of the function. F from A to B, g from B to C, then g circle f from A to C. This is g circle f elements are g of f of x. What is the x? X is belongs to set. This is the definition of composition of the function. Example, you say, g of x, f of x is equals to f is mapping from R to R and g also mapping from R to R. And f of x is equals to sin x and g of x is equals to x square. Next, find g circle f, first one, second one f circle g. That means those are composition of the functions. How we are finding this is simple. Here, what is f of x? Sin x. What is the g of x? G of x is x square. Right? First one, g circle f of x is equals to g of f of x. Right? G of f of x is equals to what? Sin x. F of x is sin x. Now g of sin x. You see here, g of x is equal to x square. G of sin x is in place of x sin x. So sin x whole square. Nothing but sin square x. This is g circle f of x. Coming to second one, f circle g of x is equals to f of g of x. This is f of g of x. What is the g of x? X square. Here f of x is sin x, f of x square is sin of x square. This is the answer. So And these are the composition functions, right? This is the definition and example of composition of function. On composition of function, we have so many problems, example problems, and we have some theorems also. So first we will solve some examples and theorems, right? Now example number 14. See now example number 15. 15th example. Let f is from set of 2, 3, 4, 5 to 3, 4, 5, 9. G is a set of 3, 4, 5, 9 to 7, 11, 15. B functions defined as f of 2 equal to 3, f of 3 equal to 4, f of 4 and equal to f of 5 equal to 5. G of 3 equal to 3, G of 4 equal to 7, G of 5 equal to G of 9 equals to 11. Find G circle F. Find G circle F. This is the question. Here you see G circle F is mapping from where to where you see? It is in the form of F is mapping from A to B. G is mapping from B to C. G circle F is mapping from A to C. So G circle F is mapping from set of 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5 to 7, 11, 15. That means we need to find G circle F of 2, G circle F of 3, G circle F of 4, G circle F of 5. Right? These values we are finding. See, G circle F of 2 is equals to how we are writing G of F of 2. This is G of F of 2. F of 2 equals to 3. Right? Here next to G of 3. G of 3 is equals to 3. Next to G circle F of 3. That is G of F of 3. That is equals to G of F of 3. F of 3 equal to 4. Now G of 4 is equals to 7. Next to G circle F of 4 is equals to G of F of 4. F of 4 is equals to 5. Next to G of 5. G of 5 is equals to G of 5. G of first to write F of 4. So G of F of 4 value is 5. G of 5 is equals to 11. Next to G circle F of 5 is equals to G of F of 5. G of F of 5. F of 5 is equals to 5. G of 5 is equals to 11. G of 5 is equals to 11. Right? Therefore, G circle F is equals to, what are the elements in G circle F? That is 2, 3, 2, 3, 3, 7. 3, 7, 4, 11, 4, 11, 5, 11. This is the answer. Understood? Like this we are finding. See, this same answer I will find G circle F through the Venn diagram, arrow diagrams also. How you see? Don't solve in board exam. In competitive group, we will solve like this. You see, this is the function f from this set to this set. G from here to here, f from here to here. G circle f from PHC, right? F from set of 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9. G from 3, 4, 5, 9 to 7, 11, 15. 7, 11, 15. Right? 7, 11, 15. 7, 11, 15. See, G of 2 is related to 3 under here. So 2 to 3. Next to 3 to 4. 3 to 4. Next to 4 to 5. 5. 4 to 5. 5 also 5 only. Right? Next, here you see 3 related G. Under the G, 3 related to 3. 3 G of 3 is equals to G of 3. What is that? G of 3 is equals to G of 4 is equals to 7. G of 3 is equals to G of 4 is equals to 7. G of 3. Okay. See, 3 related to 7. 3 related to 7. Next, here first one. Right. Next, 4 also related to 7. Next, 5 related to 9. 5 related to 11. And 9 also related to 11. You write down G circle F. 2 to 3 into 7. So 2 to 7. 2 comma 7. Right? 3 to 4, 4 to 7. So 3 comma 7. Just you go through the arrow. 4 to 5, 5 to 11. So 4 11. 4 11. Next to 5, 5, 5 11. So 5 to 11. 5 to 11. This is same answer. See. Through Venn diagram also easily we can find this one. Actually, this is the method to find the answer. Right? This is the 15th example. Next, 16th example. See, 16th example. Find G circle F and F circle G. If F from R to R, G from R to R are given by f of x equal to cos x and g of x equal to 3x square. Show that G circle F not equal to F circle G. Right? So first we are finding G circle F of x we find. So this is nothing but G of F of x. So this is equal to G of F of x is cos x. So cos x. This is equals to G of x is 3x square, G of cos x, x is replaced by cos x. So what we are getting? 3 cos x whole square. Nothing but G circle F of x is equals to 3 cos square x. Now F circle G of x is equals to F of G of x. This is F of G of x is equals to 3x square. F of x is cos x. F of 3x square is equal to cos of 3x square. Right? Cos of 3x square. This is G circle F circle G of x. F circle G of x. You see, G circle F of x is 3 cos square x. F circle G is cos of 3x square. Both are equal? No. Both are not equal. Therefore, this is you take as 1, this is you take as 2. From 1 and 2, G circle F of x is not equal to F circle G of x. Implies that G circle F is not equal to F circle G is the answer. Understood? This is the example 16. Right? Next question. Example 17. Show that F from R minus set of 7 by 5. R minus is set of 7 by 5. 7 by 5 to 3 by 5. R minus 7 by 5 to R minus 3 by 5. Right? Here A equals to the given R minus 3 by 5. B is equals to R minus 7 by 5. That implies that F is mapping from R minus 7 by 5 is B to A. Here G is mapping from R minus 3 by 5 to R minus 7 by 5. Means this is mapping from A to B. This is mapping from A to B. Right? And get defined as f of x equal to 3x plus 4 by 5x minus 7. G of x is equal to 7x plus 4 by 5x minus 3. 5x minus 3. Next one. Show that f circle G equal to IA and G circle F is equals to IB. Where A and B are given, IA of x is equal to x, IB of x is equal to x are called identity function on the sets A and B separately. Right? Here IA, IB are identity functions. You see here, find f circle G. F circle G is equals to IA. First, f circle G where to where it is forming is me. G is mapping from A to B, right? And F is mapping from B to A. Then F circle G, you come from back. F circle G is mapping from A to A, right? How you say? G is mapping from A to B. This is the G. G is mapping from. F is mapping from B to A. Then F circle G is mapping from A to A. This is the process. So this is F circle G is mapping from A to A. I also A to A only, right? And F is mapping from B to A. G is mapping from A to B, then G circle F is mapping from B to B. Right? First, you find F circle G of x. This is equal to F of G of x. That is F of G of x. What is the G of x? 7x plus 4 divided by 5x minus 3. Right? Now, f of x is 3x plus 4 by 5x minus 7. Now f of 7x plus 4 by 5x minus 3 equals what? Just in place of x, to substitute this fraction. Right? What we are getting to see? 3 into x. What is the x? 7x plus 4 divided by 5x minus 3 plus 4 by 5 into x. X is equal to this one fraction. 7x plus 4 by 5x minus 3 plus minus 7. You simplify this one. What is the numerator LCM? 5x minus 3. What are the numerator? This is 7 3s are 21 x 3 4s are 12 plus 12. 4 into 5 20x minus 12 divided by denominator also 5x minus 3 LCM. 7 5s are 35x 5 4s are 20 minus 7 into 5 minus 15x minus into minus plus 21, right? Next 5x minus 3 get cancelled, 12 get cancelled, right? Next what we are getting is numerator 21x plus 20x, total 41x divided by 35 minus 15, 35 minus 15 20x, 20 plus 21. 7 5 35 minus 35x. Right. Here 7 5 are 35, 7 5 are 35. Here this is 35. 35x, 35x get cancelled. Now 20 plus 21, that is 41. 41 get cancelled x. x is equals to f circle g. F circle g coming from a to a. So this is equals to what I'm writing, ia of x. In the question only they given ia of x is equals to x. So I'm using that one. Which is equals to this one, f circle g of x is equals to f circle g of x is equals to what we got, ia of x. Therefore f circle g is equals to ia. This is the proof. Similarly we have to find g circle f of x also. G circle f of x also. This is f circle g part finished. After that g circle f we are finding this. G circle f of x. Only this part. This is common already written. Now this one you see. G circle f of x. This is nothing but g of f of x. This is equals to g of f of x is equals to 3x plus 4 by 5x minus 7. This is equals to g of x is this one, g of 3x plus 4 by 5x minus 7. Here x is replaced by that fraction. So 7 into 5x plus 4 by 3x plus 4 by 5x minus 7 plus 4, right, divided by 5 into x. X means here 3x plus 4 by 5x minus 7 minus 3. You take the LCM in numerator and denominator. What is the numerator LCM? 5x minus 7. 7 3s are 21x, 7 4s are 28. Next 4 5s are 20x minus 7 4s are 28 divided by 5x minus 7 is x. 3 5s are 15x, 5 4s are 20. Next 5x into minus 3 minus 15x minus into minus plus 21. Now 15x get cancelled, 28 get cancelled, 5x minus 1 get cancelled. Remaining 21x plus 20x, that is 41x, divided by 20 plus 21, 41 get cancelled. This is equals to what we get, x. Now x is equals to what I am writing, ia of x. Therefore, which is g circle f of x is equals to ia of x. Therefore, g circle f is equals to ia. This is our answer, right? This is the example 17. Next, 18th example. Next you say example 18. Show that if f is mapping from a to b and g is mapping from b to c are 1 1, then g circle f from a to c is also 1 1. Very simple problem you say. So how we are showing that 1 1? What is the definition of 1 1? F of x1 equal to f of x2 implies that x1 equal to x2, then f is 1 1. Similarly, here we are proving g circle f is 1 1. Here what they given, f and g are 1 1 functions. So here that implies g circle f is mapping from a to c, right? Now let x1 comma x2 is belongs to a and g circle f of x1 is equal to g circle f of x2 as well. This is g of f of x1 is equal to g of f of x2, right? Here you say g from b to c is 1 1. G is 1 1 means for example g of y1 is equal to g of y2 implies that y1 is equal to what? Y2, because g is the 1 1. This is the definition of 1 1. The same way in place of y1 is f of x1, in place of y2 is f of x2. So what we are getting here, y1 equal to y2 means what we are getting here now, f of x1 is equal to f of x2. What is the reason here? Because G is a 1 1 function. G is a 1 1 function. Now here f of x1 equal to f of x2. Here f also 1 1 function. So x1 is equal to x2 actually. What is the reason? Because G is a 1 1 function. G is 1 1 function. What we are seeing here, G circle f of x1 equal to G circle f of x2 implies that x1 is equal to x2. Therefore, G circle f from A to C is 1 1 function. This is the proof, right? This is the proof of 81. Right? Next to 19th question. Next to 19th one. Show that if f from A to B and G from B to C are onto, then G circle f from A to C is onto. This is the question. Here you see f from A to B, G from B to C. That implies G circle f from A to C. Right? What is the definition of onto? See here, f is mapping from A to B is onto function. What is the definition of onto? For all B belongs to B, there exists A belongs to A such that f of A is equal to B. This is the definition of one. On. Next, similarly see G is mapping from B to C also onto. So, what is the definition for all C belongs to C? The mixed codomain element. There exists B belongs to B such that G of B is equal to C. This is the equation number 2. See now, let C belongs to C. I am taking C is equal to what from equation number 2? G of B. This is from equation 2. This is equal to G of, what is the B? B is equal to f of A. B is equal to what? F of A. It is from equation number 1. That is C is equal to what we got? G circle f of A. That is G circle f of A is equal to C. That means for all C belongs to C, there exists A such that G circle f of A is equal to C. Therefore, for all C belongs to C, there exists A belongs to A such that G circle f of A is equal to C. Therefore, G circle f from A to C is on function. This is the proof. See, this one important one and on. So this one they are asking for 2 marks. If they ask 3 marks, they are asking like this. You see, note. F is mapping from A to B and G is mapping from B to C are bijectives. Then show that G circle F from A to C also bijective. This is the question. So at this time, how you are solving this? You take F is mapping from A to B, G is mapping from B to C are bijectives. That implies F is mapping from A to B, G is mapping from B to C are 1 1 and on 1. Next, to prove G circle F mapping from A to C bijective, it is enough to prove that G circle F is mapping from A to C is 1 1 and on 2. These, what I don't know, this one you have to write first. After that, you prove question number 18 and question number 19. Question number 18 you write once and question number 19 also write. From that one you take as Therefore, G circle F in mapping from A to C is bijective, right? That is the answer, right? So this is the, like this they are asking for 3 marks. For 3 marks, you have to write both. If they ask, as usually they are asking for 2 marks this one. 3 marks means they are asking combined proof, right? Next, now example number 20. Question number 20. Consider functions f and g such that composite G circle F is defined and is 1 1. Are F and G both necessarily 1 1? What they are asking question, we have to consider 2 functions F and G, which is G circle F is defined. What we are considering F and G, for those functions G circle F composite function must be defined and it is 1 1 also. For this 1 1, for the condition of G circle F 1 1, F and G need 1 1 or not? That is the question, right? What we are assuming to say, this is example 20, simple one. Here F is from set of 1 2 3 4 2, set of 1 2 3 4 5 6, defined by f of x is equal to x. Now G is mapping from set of 1 2 3 4 5 6 to set of 1 2 3 4 5 6, defined as G of x is equal to x for x is equal to 1 2 3 4, right? 1 2 3 4, and G of 5 is equal to G of 6 is equal to 5. Here G circle F, mapping from where to where? Set of 1 2 3 4 to set of 1 2 3 4 5 6. It is defining this one as G circle F of x is equals to G circle F of x is equals to x. So like this I define. Here you say f of x is equals to x. F of x is equals to x means f is equals to 1 comma 1. If you substitute 1 only we are getting. If you substitute 2 3 4 only we are getting. 4 only we are getting. Here you see G what we are getting, you see. If x is equals to 1 only 1 comma 1. X is equals to 2 comma 2, so 2 comma. X is equals to 3 only 3 comma. X is equals to 4 comma. X is equals to 5 comma. X is equals to 5 only. X is equal to 6 5 only 6 comma 5. Up to 1 2 3 4 G of x is equal to x. That means G of 1 1, G of 2 2, G of 3 3, G of 4 4. G of 5 is 6, G of 6 G of 5 is 5, G of 6 is 5. Now G circle F from defining this one 1 2 3 4 2, 1 2 3 4 5 6. G circle F of x is equal to x. Here G circle F is equal to, what are the elements? 1 1. If you substitute 1 only 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3, 4 comma 4 only again. It's very clear it is 1 because every element have unique image, so it is 1. So here G circle F is 1. G circle F is 1. But here you see F is 1 1. F is 1 1 or not? Every element have unique image, so it is 1 1. But you see G is not a 1 1 because 5 and 6 both two elements having same image 5. So how you are writing this one, you see, if you write this arrow diagrams, what you are writing here, G is 1 2 3 4 5 6. function G is not a 1 1. G is not a 1 1. You see, G circle F is 1 1, but G is not 1 1. That means for G circle F 1 1, there is no need to F and G are 1 1. Clearly here G is not a 1 1. This is our proof. Understood? This is the 20 example. Next to 21. Next question number 21. Question number 21. Are F and G both necessarily onto if G circle F is onto? You see, we take one example. F is mapping from set of 1, 2, 3, 4 to set of 1, 2, 3, 4. Set of 1, 2, 3, 4. Defined as f of 1 is equals to 1, f of 2 is equals to f of 2 is equals to 2, and f of 3 is equals to f of 4 is equals to 3 1. And I am defining G, one more function G, from set of 1, 2, 3, 4 to set of 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Defined as G of 1 is equals to 1, G of 2 is equals to 2, G of 3 is equals to G of 3 equal to G of 4 is equals to 3. Now G circle F, you see, G circle F, what are we see? Here F, what are the elements of F? 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 3, 4, next to G elements. G elements are 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 3. G of 1 is equals to what are writing? F of 1. F of 1 is 1. G of 1 is 1. So 1, 1. Otherwise G of 1, G circle F of 1. G circle F you write once. 1, 1. If you write 2, F of 2 is 2, 2, 2, 2. So 2, F of 3 is 3, 3, 2. G of 3 is 3, 1, 3, 3. Next G circle F of 4, set 4 also high. G is mapping from G circle F of 4 also high. So F of 4 is equals to 3, G of 4 is equals to 3, 3, 3. This is the G circle F. Once we go to the arrow diagram, this F, this is the F, this is G, this set is G circle F. This is the function. 1, 2, 3, 4. G 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 1, 2, 3, 1. Right? So F of 1 is equals to 1. 1 related to 1. 2 related to 2. F of 3 equals to 3 only. F of 4 is equals to also 3 only. Next to G, coming to G, G of 1 is equals to 1, G of 2 is equals to 2, G of 3 is equals to, G of 4 is equals to 3. Now G circle F is onto or not is. This G circle F from A to C. What is the definition of onto? Range is equals to codomain. This is the codomain of G circle F. What are the elements 1, 2, 3? See, range is equal to G circle F 1, 2, 3, 1. This is because 1 having pre-image, 2 having pre-image, 3 also having pre-image. So this G circle F is onto. Coming to F and G, you see. Here F from this set to this. For example, this is A, B, C. You take F from A to B. B in the B element 4. 4 belongs to B codomain, but codomain this 4 doesn't have a pre-image. Having pre-image? No, it doesn't have a pre-image. So f is not a 1. F is not 1. Coming to G, G you see, G might from B to C. All the elements might be pre-imaged. So G is 1 1. Now G circle F is sorry, this is on. G is not a on. G F is not a on. G is not. G is on. F is on. That means for getting G circle F is on, there is no need of F and G is on. Here you see G circle F is on, but clearly F is not on. This is your proof. So like this we are going. Okay, I am assuming like this. I find this F is not a 1 1 onto G is onto G circle F also on. That means for G circle F onto, there is no need of F and G are onto. This is the proof. Next example 22. Say example number 22. Let f from set of 1 2 3 to set of ABC be 1 1 and on to functions given by f of 1 is equals to a, f of 2 equals to b and f of 3 equal to c. Show that there exists a function g from set of ABC to set of 1 2 3 such that g circle f is equal to ix, identity function on x, where f circle g is equals to iy, where x is equals to set of 1 2 3 and y is equal to set of ABC. See here what we are doing here, you see f circle g is equal to ix and f circle g is equals to iy. In this case there exists a function g from the set of ABC to set of 1 2 3. Here you see a is x equal to the given, y equal to the f from a to this set to this set. Means this is the x, this is y. What they given I recognize it is f of a equal to f of 1 equal to a, f of 2 equal to b, f of 3 equal to c. G from a set of ABC, that is from 1 to. That means g is from y to x. This is the complete given in the question. Next, what I am writing you see, let what I am assuming g of a is equal to 1 related to 1 and b related to 2, c related to 3 and g. I am writing this one only I am assuming. What we are doing is g circle f of g circle f mapping from where to where? Here f from x to y, f from x to y. Next to g from y to x, g from y to x. Then g circle f from x to x. So I of x elements will take now, right? So x element g circle f is mapping from x to x, x to x. Next to f circle g clear now remaining, that means y to y, right? Now g circle f of x elements are 1 2 3 1, so that is g of f of 1. So g of f of 1 is equals to a, that is g of a is equals to 1 is equals to what I am writing. Just otherwise you leave this much one. 1 is equals to, we can easily write as ix of 1 also. Because identity matrix every image itself. Image of every element is itself. I of x is equal to x. Whatever x values. Next one g circle f of 2. That is g of f of 2. That is g of f of 2. F of 2 equals to b. Then g of b is equals to 2. This 2 is equals to ix of 2. Next to g circle f of 3, g g of f of 3, this is equals to g of f of 3 is equals to c. So g of c is equals to 3. This is equals to ix of 3. That means therefore g circle f is equals to what we got, ix. G circle f and ix are the same elements, so those are equal. Next, f circle g you find. F circle g where to where? Y to y. Y elements to take. That means g circle f of a, g circle f circle g of b, f circle g of c. These elements we are finding. This is f of g of a. That is f of g of a is equals to 1, and f of 1 is equals to a nothing but I by of a. This is f of g of b. F of g of b is equals to 2. F of 2 is equals to b I by of b. This is f circle f of g of c. F of g of c is equals to 3. F of 3 is equals to c. C is equals to I by of c. Therefore, f circle g is equals to I. This is the proof. Simple. So, like this, you have to wait. There is a 20, 21, 22. These three little bit difficult to practice well. These three questions. So, remaining are easy problems. Okay. This is next example. So, next we have inverse function definition. Invertible function. Based on this, we have some problems. So, those we will see in next video. Right.